Hi, welcome to our weekly garden check-in. My name is Kelsey, children's educator here at Ginter Botanical Garden, and this week we're checking in from the Children's Garden Greenhouse, where children's education assistant Laura Lee Fullman has been planting some spring seeds and doing some winter sowing. Let's go see what Laura Lee has been planting.
Hi, I'm Laura Lee. Over the past few weeks, we've been planting some seeds. We planted lettuce, calendula, mustard greens, onions, parsley, kale, and marigolds. This mini greenhouse is also called winter sowing. It traps the moisture and the heat just like in our greenhouse. So the steps for making your mini greenhouse. First, you're going to get a 2-liter bottle or a plastic milk jug, something that's see-through. It doesn't have to be completely transparent. You're going to cut the top off about halfway up or a little bit more. Then you're going to poke holes in the top and the bottom. A serrated knife works well for this. Kids, just make sure you have an adult with you when you do this part. Then you'll fill the bottle up with about 4 inches of potting soil and make sure it's moistened just a little bit. Put the seeds in. Then you will just sprinkle a little layer of potting soil on top, moisten all of that. Next, you'll make a label that says what the seeds are and the date that you planted them. And then you just take a piece of duct tape and tape both the pieces together and set it outside and wait. So check on your garden in about 2 weeks and see if anything's happening. Once you see 4 leaves, go ahead and take the top off, and then you're also going to want to cut vents right here in the front on each side to allow rain and air to get to your plants. Once your plants have reached 6 inches in here, then you're ready to plant them outside. Happy gardening!
Wow, thanks Laura Lee. What a fun project for our friends at home. Thank you guys for checking in this week. Be sure to check out Storytime with Miss Tarnisha on Friday mornings, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for checking in.